Rahim. We are studying cell biology, and today's topic is nucleus. Nucleus, nucleolus, and nuclear membrane. So nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. It was no doubtly prominent body in most of cell. After its discovery, nucleus is present in mostly all the cells. It controls all the activities of life. Nucleus. Some organisms contain one nucleus. These are called as mononucleate. Some organisms contain two nucleus. These are called as binucleate. Few contain two or more nucleus. These are called as multinucleate. Nucleus contain a nuclear membrane, a nuclear sap, chromatin network. Nucleus can be seen only in the undividing cell. While in dividing cell, nucleus disappear. Chromatin material in dividing cell replaced by the chromosomes. Chromosomes, they control heredity, information of an individual. Nucleus contain enzyme, DNA and RNA. They form the chemical composition of the nucleus. Nucleus also contain the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane, it is the outer membrane of the nucleus. It is a double membrane. It consists of two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane. Outer membrane of the nucleus is connected with the endoplasmic reticulum. Inner membranes and outer membranes become continuous at the certain places and form a definite structure. This definite structure is called as a nuclear pore. This membrane, inner membrane, encloses inner content of the nucleus such as cell nuclear sac. Nuclear membrane separates the nuclear material from rest of the cytoplasm. Nuclear pores allow the exchange of material between the nucleus and into the cytoplasm, and cytoplasm into the nucleus. Number of pores are different in different type of cells. For example, in undifferentiated cells, for example as egg cells, contain 30,000 nuclear pore per nucleus, whereas the differentiated cells such as erythrocytes contain 3 to 4 pores per nucleus. In nucleus there is also present nucleolus. Topic is nucleolus. Nucleolus, these are the spherical or irregular in shape. These nucleolus do not contain any membrane. These nucleolus are the factories of ribosomal RNA. These nucleolus contain two areas. One is called as peripheral, as you see in the diagram. One is called as peripheral granular region. Other is called as central fibril region. Nucleolus peripheral granular area contain precursor of ribosomal subunits, while central area of the nucleolus contain ribosomal DNA and ribosomal RNA. These are the factories of ribosomes. Ribosomes are synthesized in the nucleolus, from where they come into the cytoplasm by crossing the nuclear pores. Thank you for watching.